How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and in today's video, we're looking at SNDL Sundial Growers Incorporated. Unbelievable day for this one, up 36 cents, just shy of 100%. We hit a high of today right there at 86 cents. So really nothing really wrong with this ticker today. We'll go ahead and make this the yellow dotted line to represent the high of the day. Currently sitting at 73 cents. Which is still great compared to yesterday's high of 40 cents. VWAP is right there at 62, so we could see a dip down to VWAP, which would be perfectly normal. VWAP is this stock really loves it. It's been riding up it. We did get that pump up to 60, and then a push back down, and really it just rode VWAP the rest of the way up. So at 60 cents, there is some support, as well as 45 cents. As well. Like I said, 100% day with 2 billion shares with a B, billion shares of volume. Granted, it is 73 cents, but that, if a math $1.4 billion traded, that's just so much money, so many eyes on it. StockTwits, I think, has 30,000. Just a little toot my own horn here, but on November 25th, I put it on the watch list, SNDL at 27 cents in the private Discord. So if you guys want to join that, click the link for the Patreon, and it's only $3 a month, and that's how you get into the private Discord. And it's guaranteed right here. You can ask some of the people already in it to verify it. I could put a picture up if my iMovie will be wanting me to work today. But at 27 cents, I did tell you guys to put on your watch list, and we did a spike up to 86 cents. So we'll go ahead and break it down to the 1-year chart. 1-year high is up there at $3.88 with the earnings of a negative $1.36 and then negative 41. The company was headed in the right direction, and with this earnings coming up, I don't think they are announced yet, or maybe they are. Maybe that's why it's up today. We'll take a look at the news in a second. I'm just not getting up on my chart here. But really, once we broke out of that 56, 60 cent level, it was really off to the races, and right here at 78 as well. That would be more resistance, just because it fell below it. But if we can break back above 86, which I think we will, we do have some more support or resistance rather, at $1. Dollar will always be mental support for any stock. $1 is just, okay, now it's above $1, so it's always mental. And if we could break about that, $1.16, $1.25, 160, there's a pretty big gap right here to 190, a huge 30-cent gap on a less than $2 stock. So that's big money to be made on this one. We'll take it back to the 3-year chart, $13. I don't think there was a split, so this ticker can move. Take it back to the 20-year. Yeah, so it's a fairly new ticker as well. If I take a look at the news now, so if you guys didn't know, it is a pot stock. They had some volatility recently. I don't think there was any news on it today, but it was just... Oh, okay. Yeah, pot stocks pop ahead of U.S. and United votes on cannabis legalization. Obviously, that's going to push up the stock, just simply momentum-wise. But for a long-term bullish play, you would like for SNDL to release a personal article saying that they got, I'm not really familiar with pot stocks, guys, but there's any news on it saying that they open up new stores, or they got a contract, anything that can push up the stock. Okay, right here, they clear 73.2 million. Canada's. Oh, so it's guys, again, do your research, man, because I'm telling you, I did not know that it was a Canadian company. But 73 million in Canadians money. The conversion rate's roughly similar to a United States dollar, so it's not that far behind. But I'm just want to take you back to see if there's any other news on it. I don't think there was. Okay, Sundial, yeah, Zach George, the CEO, in Q3 results. So you guys can click this link. I'll put this link in the description box, and you guys can click on that if you guys want to. Yeah, that's the only news really I'm seeing. You guys can go back. Okay, increased 77%. Their sales increased. So a great opportunity to buy in long-term or short-term trading right here. Uh, Pulling back a little bit, so we do have actually looking back at it now, we do have a little wedge pattern forming from 86 down here to hit 77 and 75, and then way down here at 45. So we'll have to see. This is the make it or break it level, and we'll have to see what it will want to do. Now, like I said, we could see a dip back down to VWAP and a ride up. I would certainly like that. After all, it is only Monday. We still have the rest of the week, and if we can break out of that 74 just today pre-market here, I really would be impressed, even though I already am 100% into the close. Closes in a minute here. So, yeah, like I said, it's holding 95% at the close. You really love to see it. Now, I was going to tell you something. I just forgot. Man, okay. Well, like I said, guys, I'm not really familiar with these pot stocks, so I can't give you other pot stocks, but I will certainly, if you guys know, definitely leave it in the comment section down below. If you guys know pot stocks to get into like SNDL, definitely leave it down for your fellow subscribers. There goes the bell. So at 94% is the day. We'll have to see if we can break above the wedge pattern, like I said. But I'll go ahead here and give you a little recap of the recap. So at 86 cents is our first resistance, as well as long at 77. Good support at 63. VWAP as well. They're at 62 and 59, and then way down here at 45. And like I said, if I take it back to the 1 year, we have to break a dollar. Dollar will always be key support or resistance. In this case, resistance, but can be support if we break above it. And then to $1.16, $1.20, and then way up there to $1.60. Can we get to 388? Honestly, I think we can, just because the overall, we'll have to see about what UN, United States, if they legalize it across the board. Yeah, pots, like you guys know, pot stocks are always like, oh, buy pot stocks, and I really never was a fan of it. But I'm definitely, checking in now if United Nations, United States legalizes it across the board. And now with Joe Biden, president-elect, review your decision on it. Is he not, or you have to wait till January 30th or 20th rather? You'll just have to see on what the policies are, what's going to pass in the House. So it's really up to you guys if you want to get on it. I'm bullish on it. I will tell you that. I don't own any shares. But that was SNDL. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop down below. And if you guys want to get calls like this at 27 cents on the November 25th, join the Patreon. I'll give you the link to the private Discord. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.